up, guys? It's Boo. Hey! In September, my mom told me that my little sister is finally getting what she always wanted. A new puppy. October, let's say mid-October, the puppy was born. And we're gonna go pick her up here in about 2 weeks, which is probably no time sense for you guys because you're gonna see this when we've already got the dog. So we're gonna go pick her up the week before the 20th, and she's gonna be staying at one of Mom's coworkers' houses, and it's gonna be great to surprise her. So Mom and Stephanie should be picking up the dog right now. I'm kind of disappointed. I really wanted this day off to be able to go pick up the dog with Mom, but ended up having to work. So they should be recording, hopefully, some awesome videos so that way you guys can see their adventure when picking up the dog and what cute little thing it is. So yeah, all right, let's see what Mom and Stephanie are doing.
B, you get to go for your first car ride, and you get to be a full-on baby. We're calling her Pinkalicious right now because of her pink collar, but Mary will get to name her when she gets her for her birthday next week. And we're going. It's going to be the toughest week. She's just loving life right now and liking to hug on Stephanie. Aww.
So I got home yesterday from getting up, and Mary is all over me asking me questions like, why is my tracker off? So first she thinks I'm having an affair and cheating on her father. And then she couldn't believe that I would go shopping all day for 12 hours and not buy anything. That was really weird. And she did ask, did you buy a puppy? And I kind of went, come on, really? And she goes, that's true. Adamel would have been all over you. She was, but I changed my clothes really quickly, so Mary didn't even notice it. Yeah, did you survive last night?
Oh yeah, alright, is this gonna work this week? Today is Tuesday the 17th, and this unnamed puppy is sitting on Mary's bed. She's getting all cuddled up with Mary's blanket. There, you're in Mary's blanket. Only got till Sunday. About 5 more days of this. So, yeah, we'll see you all then.
Make sure to check in next week for when Mary gets the puppy.